How to fix caps lock reversed in Windows. First, you want to check if your shift key is stuck. For that, you need to look for the on-screen keyboard. Usually when a key is selected, it is highlighted on the on-screen keyboard. So if the shift button is highlighted, it means that it is stuck. You want to make sure that you fix it. Moving on, you want to run a troubleshooter for your keyboard. For that, you want to go to your settings. And on this tab, you want to go to Update and Security, then head to Troubleshooter from the left side of the tab. For you to find the troubleshooter for your keyboard, you have to go to Additional Troubleshooters. If you scroll down under Find and Fix Other Problems, you'll be able to see the keyboard option. Run the troubleshooter for this one. If there is any issue with your keyboard, then the troubleshooter is going to fix it for you. For the third step, you want to make sure that your keyboard is updated. For that, head to the Start icon and look for Device Manager. From this tab, you want to find the option of keyboard, then click on the arrow right beside it. From the drop-down option, you want to click on HID keyboard device, do a right click, and then you want to click on update driver. They're going to ask you how do you want to search for drivers, click on search automatically. This way, if your keyboard driver was not updated, then it is going to be updated. You can also choose to uninstall the device and install a new one. Finally, you have to make sure that the filter key is turned off. For that, again, you want to head to Settings. This time, you want to head to Ease of Access. Now scroll down and under Interactions, you'll be able to find Keyboard. This is the filter key. Make sure that this option is disabled. So that is how you fix caps lock reversed in Windows. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.